The second generation of AirPods Pro is finally here. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and I'll tell you everything you need to know about Apple's latest launch and all of the new products over at CyberGuy.com. The first generation of AirPods Pro came out in 2019, so Apple fans have been waiting patiently for an upgrade. And boy, will they see one thanks to the H2 chip that allows for spatial audio and makes you feel like you're on stage with your favorite musician as you listen to their music. iOS 16, which is coming soon to Apple, will allow you to create a personalized profile for spatial audio based on the size and shape of your head and your ear. But my favorite feature of the new AirPod Pros is the active noise cancellation. They offer 2 times the noise cancellation over the previous version, and you can adjust how much noise is let through depending upon where you are. The new AirPods Pro come with a smaller ear tip so that they'll fit more ears, and the AirPod itself has a brand new feature. Introducing touch control, you can adjust the volume directly from the AirPod stem by swiping, so you don't have to go digging in your bag or pocket for your phone if your favorite song comes on and you want to really crank it up. The all-new charging case has a built-in speaker to deliver louder tones so you can find your AirPods or the case if you lose track of either one. You can also customize your charging case to fit your personality through engraving. Pick your favorite emoji or memoji to engrave. And your case and AirPods will last even longer with the extended battery life. Your AirPods now lasting 6 hours while using active noise cancellation and can be charged an additional 4 times with your charging case. That adds up to a total of 30 hours of total listening time with the second generation AirPods Pro. If you don't use Apple Music already, you can get a free 6-month subscription with the purchase of any AirPods. You can order the new AirPods Pro for $249 starting now, and they'll officially be in stores on September 23rd. You can find out a lot more by signing up for my free newsletter at cyberguy.com.